how to create a Wix website. So first, you just have to go to Wix sign up, and you can sign up using your email address, confirm email address, your password, confirm password. You can also sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account. So the easiest for me to create an account here on Wix is through my Google account. So this is what it looks like. This is Wix dashboard. And basically, if you have your site already, if you have created a site already, then you can go to Wix homepage. Then you can select and edit your site. For this time, we're going to create a new site because our tutorial is all about how to create a Wix website. So this is what it looks like. Here you have two options, start chat or setup without chat. I'm going to pick the second one here. Then they will ask you what kind of website you want. So let's just say if you want look or search for the specific website, for example, repair service. It could be like cell phone or any gadget that you want to repair. So click continue. Now they're now preparing for your dashboard. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So right now it's preparing your dashboard. It will take you directly to Wix dashboard here. And if you can see on the left side, in the dashboard section, you can see your setup, home, getting paid, sales. So you can just simply build and set a payment method and so on. Now you can start by creating your store name. So let's just say it will be like a repair service. So let's just say the name is Repair It Now, something like that. So if this one is not available, you will be notified. If the name is not available, if it's available, then you can proceed. Now you have two options. So for a beginner, you can click the first one. No, I'm just starting out. Now, what kind of products are you selling? You have your options right here. So for this time, I'm going to select this services. Okay. And then after that, tap continue. Now, how are you offering your products online store, in person, mobile application, marketplaces? So select the first one, but actually everything is up to you. So for this tutorial, I'm going to pick the first one here, which is online store. That's why we're going to create our Wix website. And so you're all set. So you can now continue to dashboard. Wait for a couple of seconds again as it is processing. And this is what it looks like. So now you can set up your store, such as connect a domain. For getting paid, you can connect your bank account here. Okay, so for sales, for catalogs, for customers and leads. So if you want to set up and change something here, you can just simply do some adjustment, add more information about your store. Okay, so that's it. Now, once you are done with this, you can now proceed with design site. So how would you like to design your website, generate a design, or pick a template? So for a beginner, let's just click the second one because there are tons of templates here that you can use, not just for repair services, but also for other services and other categories. So you can select from any of this here. You can preview before you edit. You can view the template before you start editing this one. So I'm going to select this. So let's just click edit and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now you can enhance your AI content, but let's just skip this part. So this is the template sample for repair services, and you can just simply edit everything here from options above, from the header to the pictures and images background. So let me change the name. The name of my website is Repair It Now. I can change the logo right here by just, I can delete this one and then use Canva, or you can just simply select from their sample logos right here. And if you don't want any of this, then you can go to Canva and create one. But for this tutorial, let's just pick from any of the pictures here on Wix. So let's just say this one. Okay, so if you want to change or manage the menus here above, you can select, you can drag it right here. You can just simply click this three dots to do or make some changes with the settings, with the background and everything. So let's just say if you want to do some changes for the layout, permission, if you want to set password, okay, for SEO basics and so on. Tap this three dots to make some changes with the setting. Okay, same thing with the services. Now, if you want to simply change or rearrange, you just have to drag it up right here. That you will see that it changes your menu above. Okay, so Wix header, let's just say something like that. Okay, so as you can see, here is about us. You can also add a link here. You can navigate, change by tapping settings, change layout. If you want to change the layout right here, you can just simply go to layout. You can also edit design. Okay, click this one. Then you can simply change the design. And also for effects, animation, you can click that, help, and so on. Okay, so basically this is the header. If you want to delete something unnecessary item, you can just simply delete. Or if you want to move or change position, just click and then drag. So that's the good thing about Wix. So once you're done with the header, you can go to this section. If you want to change the picture images, just click. Okay, if you want to add background, just click the blank page or section, then you will see the option. You can add images from Wix Gallery. You can also import from your computer or from your Google Drive. Okay, you can change the name of the picture or description. So if you really want to change everything here, you can just simply go to your dashboard and then go to your product. So what I'm going to do here is go back to my dashboard, go to catalog, and since our website is all about services, then go to services right here. If you want also to change or add some product, just go to store products. So basically I'm going to choose this booking services and add some information about how they can book. Okay, how can they reach out for us? Okay, or make a schedule, something like that. So basically, just go to catalog and add some information right here. For example, the prices. You can also add your address here, location, and so on. You can add images and then after that tap save and you have added this picture on the section. Okay, as you can see, we offer engine repair. So you can add more services if you want to. Just go back to catalog, go to booking services, add image again, add services, add information, the prices, and so on. Okay, so once you have added everything, then you can go back to your Wix website and then you will see there the result. And again, if you want to add services and products, just go to catalog, add image here, add your service here, add information details, and it will appear right here. Okay, now for footer or in the section, if you want to add another one, just click add section. If you want to edit your footer, just simply just double click the text and you can change everything here. If you want to delete an element, just double click, delete. And if you want to add elements, just click the plus icon and add some elements. But right now what I'm doing is I'm changing some details right here. Okay, so the telephone number, the address. I also added our services, our email address, the schedule. And we all know that the easiest way here to promote your website or your page is through sharing this to your social media account or platforms. So you can basically add social media here, social media links. For example, for Facebook, just paste your Facebook URL or link here. If you want to add Twitter, if you want to add your YouTube, if you want to add your Pinterest, and so on. You can just basically link your social media account right here. And if they visit your page, when click the link, it will take them directly to your social media account. And basically that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.